Here I have iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So, firstly, just for an example, let me take front camera photo to show you how it looks like with this feature enabled. And now to disable it, what you have to do is to go to settings, then go to the camera section, and here you can find mirror front camera. So you just disable this feature. So let's take another photo, and as you can see, these photos are mirrored. Like on this one we have lightning coming from the left side, and on this one from the right side. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.